Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Abdurrahman. Today we start the second lecture of class 10 mathematics. In the first lecture we have done exercise 1.1, question number 1 and 2. Now today we will start the question number 3. In the question number 3, part 1, x raised to power 2 x square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. In this question he has given the instruction solve the following equation with the help of quadratic formula. What are the called quadratic formula? This is called the quadratic formula. X equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under radical sign divided by 2a is called a quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. Now, value of b, value of a and value of c we find from this equation the coefficient of x square. In this case, the x square is there is a 1. The coefficient of x square is the value of a. The coefficient of x is the value of b, and the constant term is the value of c. Value of c. Now we have find the value of a, b, and c. Now put in this quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. Minus the value of b is minus 8 plus minus the value of b is minus 8 minus 4, a is 1 and c is 15 divided by 2a. The value of a is 1. Minus into minus give you plus 8. Plus and minus, the minus 8 square is equal to 64 minus 4 into 1 4 multiplied by 15 is 60. When 64 minus 60 give you 4. Now question is 8 plus minus and the radical sign 4 divided by 2. The root of 4 is 2. Now we have that 8 plus minus 2 divided by 2. Now we can do this. We have two possibilities. 8 plus 2 divided by 2. 8 minus 2 divided by 2. Now 8 plus 2 give you 10 divided by 2. 8 minus 6 minus 2 equal to 6 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 give you 5. 6 divided by 2 give you 3. The answer is solutions. We can write this answer in the solution set. 4 and 3. Why I have written the answer in the solution set? Because in the question they have given to solve. When he has given in the question solve, we can write in the solution set. Now we start the part 3. In the part 3, the question is 4x square plus 3x equal to 0. This quadratic equation is not complete. This constant term is not there. Therefore, I have written like this way. 4x raised to power 2 plus 3x plus 0 equal to 0. Again, we can apply the quadratic formula. I have written the quadratic formula. X equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under radical sign divided by 2a. Here written x. Why I have written x here? Because in the question there is x. If in the question is y, we can write y. If in the question is z, we can write z. The formula is same as it is. Here the coefficient of x square is 4. Therefore x square coefficient is 4. It's value of a. The coefficient of x is the value of b. And the constant last number is c is equal to 0. The value of c. Now we apply the quadratic formula. Putting the values x equal to minus the value of b is 3. I put it here. Plus minus the value of 3 square minus 4. The value of a is 4. The value of c is 0 divided by 2a. The value of a is 4. Now we open the bracket. Minus multiplied by 3 give you minus 3. Plus and minus, this 3 square means 9 minus 4 into 4 16 into 0 0 divided by 2 into 4 8. Again minus 3 plus and minus 9 minus 0 give you 9 under radical sign divided by 8 minus 3 plus minus the root of 9 is 3 divided by 8. There are two possibilities, one with the minus, other with the plus. I can write x equal to minus 3 divided by 8. The other possibility is x equal to minus 3 plus 3 divided by 8. Minus and minus plus 3 and 3 6. Sign of minus. divided by 8. X equal to minus 3 plus 3 give you 0 divided by 8. Now we can cancel by the form of by the table of 2. 2 4s 8, 2 3 6. We can write minus 3 by 4 and anything divided by 0 give you 0. Now we can write in the solution set. Solution set equal to minus 3 by 4 and the 0. I have solved the two part for you. I know I am given the homework. I didn't solve the second part. Do the second part, and also from the book, you can open the book on page number 8. Question number 3, I have given the homework. Question number 3 part 2 as well as question number 3 part 5 is your home assignment. Solve these two parts. If any problem, call me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you. God bless you.